Hi everyone! Welcome back to Useful English with Alex. It's another workshop of fun and learning. In this workshop, I'm going to show you how to use phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are very important in English. It can help you to speak better, sound better, and be more confident in English. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a combination of words. The words are a verb and a preposition, or a verb and an adverb. For example, get on, get off, get over. In these examples, get is the verb and the prepositions are on, off, and over. Examples of a verb and an adverb: get away, get by, get through. In these examples, get is the verb and the adverbs are away, by, through. When these two words are combined, they are called phrasal verbs. In this tutorial, we are going to learn phrasal verbs about get. The first two phrasal verbs that we are going to learn are get at and get by. Phrasal verb number 1, get at. It means that you express or say your thoughts. For example, you are talking to someone and you understand what the person is saying. Then you say, I know what you're getting at. I agree. Phrasal verb number 2, get by. It means that you can manage financially. It means that you will be okay with little amount of money. For example, my father does not make a lot of money. The family will get by. We will be okay. We will survive. So get at and get by are phrasal verbs. Let's move on to phrasal verbs 3 and 4. Phrasal verbs 3 and 4. Get over and get ahead. Get over. This phrasal verb means that something bad happened, you accepted it, you will forget about it and move on. For example, I know you're disappointed about losing your job, but get over it and find another one. Get ahead. This phrasal verb means to be successful in the work that you do. For example, you work in a big company and you want to be successful in there. Then you say to yourself, you've got to take risks if you want to get ahead in life. So get over it means accept something and move on. And get ahead means to be successful in the work that you do. Speaking about moving on, let's move on to phrasal verbs 5 and 6. Phrasal verbs 5 and 6, get along with and get on with. Get along with. This phrasal verb means to have a friendly relationship with someone. For example, do you get along with Mary? No, I don't. I don't like working with Mary. It's impossible to get along with her. But I get along with Jane. In this example, you do not want to have a friendly relationship with Mary, but you want to have a friendly relationship with Jane. Get along with. Phrasal verb number 6, get on with. This phrasal verb means you start doing something or continue doing an activity. For example, I've got so much work to do. I'd better get on with it. So phrasal verbs get along with and phrasal verbs get on with are very important phrasal verbs in English. Phrasal verbs 7 and 8, get up to and get rid of. Get up to. This phrasal verb means to do usually something bad or naughty. For example, the children are usually noisy, and then you notice the children are quiet. So you say, the children are very quiet. I wonder what they're getting up to. Phrasal verb 8. Get rid of. This means to remove something or someone that you do not want any longer. For example, for things, you say, I can't wait to get rid of my ugly old couch. I don't want it anymore. For people, you say, I want to get rid of my housemate. He's too lazy around the house. He doesn't do any housework. So these are phrasal verbs 7 and 8, get up to and get rid of. You just learned 8 phrasal verbs with get. Because this is a tutorial, I'm going to give you a challenge, a quiz, so that you can remember the phrasal verbs you just learned. The quiz is that you are going to fill in the gap with the correct phrasal verbs. So here we go. Phrasal verb number 1. My mom doesn't want her old sofa anymore. She wants to blank of it. Number 2. I've got so much housework to do. I'd better blank with it. Number 3. John and I have been friends for so long. We blank with each other so well. Number 4. The cost of living is very expensive, but I will blank. So please have a look at your answers. Here are the correct answers. I'm sure you've done well. If you like this video, please share, send me comments and feedback, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's all for now, and see you next time for more useful English with Alex. Bye.